Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I am focusing on real life. My refrigerator was in need of some TLC. I'm telling you, it was bad. So I started by taking every single thing out of the refrigerator, and that door will not stay open. And the entire video I was aggravated because it just kept shutting. So I finally opened the bottom drawer, but then later I had to move the drawer. So yeah. Anyway, I took everything out to start with and then proceeded to clean the drawers, clean the shelves, wipe everything down. I didn't do the doors. I will get to those, but today it was just get the inside clean. And then once I had all that done, once I did that, I refilled it. So enjoy. You can watch the rest of it and then I'll be back. Alright, so these were the containers of leftovers or just small amounts of things that, like pieces of meat or things like that, that I haven't used yet. So my plan for this is for lunch today, anything that I can take of this and repurpose for a meal for my family for lunch, I'll do. I'll go through and see if there's anything that needs to be tossed and fix lunches for my kids for school tomorrow by using up the leftovers, and then that way all that'll be cleared out of the refrigerator. Yes, my stove needs to be wiped down. I have a box of salt I bought at Sam's that pours salt everywhere every time I use it now, and we were using flour last night, so there was some flour that got kind of tossed on there, and I haven't wiped it yet. Again, this is real life. I did get all the dishes washed, we got the floor swept, and we got a lot of other things done. I just didn't get around to wiping off the stove. So I will get to that today, but this is what my plan is, and I now have a clean refrigerator.